Now let's walk through the recipe screens. Click on Recipes at the bottom of the screen to create or edit recipes and review the active recipe. Click New Recipe to create a new recipe. In this example, we are creating a recipe with collapse distance weld mode and setting values for distance, amplitude, trigger force, and hold time. After all the parameters are set, click on Save at the top right corner of the screen. This recipe has been saved as the active recipe. Now, delete the recipes you no longer need. To copy an existing recipe, press on the recipe card and select the Copy icon. The screen will jump to the editing page. You can rename the recipe or make changes to the parameters. New Recipe 1 is now set as the active recipe. Press the Reset Cycle Count to clear the cycle count for the recipe. Now you can see the cycle count is 0 for both of these recipes. Now for batch setting to activate, select Set as Active. Once batch setting is active, you can switch the batch setup status to On and set parameters for this recipe. Once the batch size is reached, the HMI will display an alarm to alert the user.